On first appearance, we've got a bit of a car park out here. Fabulous. It's like Robocop. We've got we've got a bit of a car park outside the Chippy. The staff absolutely fabulous, and they had no idea that we're reviewing, which is the whole point. So nothing gets properly unpacked, the camera doesn't get up. We're right outside the shop, facing it, and nothing gets revealed until we've got the bag. When we've got the bag, let's have a little look. We've got an assortment of things as usual. If they do an assortment of things and not just fish and chips, that's what we do. So I'm just going to looky dip here. Right, what we've got here is cauliflower bites. Now, you know I like to do unusual things. If they have things that aren't seen anywhere else, I like to get them. I like to try them. Or if they've got them in other places and they've not been very good, I'll see whether they've been any good here. They are really nice. Spot on. You can taste the garlic that they've put in the mayonnaise, and it's pure 100% rapeseed oil that they're cooking. They are delicious. You know, I could sit and nibble at these all day. But I won't. We'll watch the disappearing act with these. What else have we got? Mushy peas and a sauce. Okay. Right, we've got an Irish curry sauce, battered mushrooms. Red hot. Oh, that's getting a no. That sauce. It's thick. I'm just so messy with it. That is delicious. These are great. Look at that serving of mushrooms. So far I've come here just for the mushrooms, the Irish curry sauce, and I'll tell you what the mushy peas are like. Absolutely spot on. So what we'll do now is, you all right, mate?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. I saw this lady coming in the shop, and I was because I simply head to the county. You see, I didn't see all this. Yeah, how'd you get on with it?
Good.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
well,
right.
I'll tell you what, he's got the years ago. I mean, I've been doing it for a long time. Years ago, he got the Tilstock Award, you know, all this kind of thing. But the food's always good here. I found it's good.
Well, I've not found any problems yet.
No, nobody has. No. I'll tell you what you don't want to do. You don't want to book for a steak.
No good. Is it really?
Well, I'll tell you something. I used to live 56 years up here, and I went in here again. I tried it again. It was the same again after I went in again. So I've been here for 56 years. I know it looks something like that. But nice to see you anyway.
Yeah, and you too.
But yeah,
wonderful.
I'll see you again.
You take it easy. A pleasant chat. What else have we got here now? We're talking halloumi here. Let's just move this back. Halloumi PITA. Now, I'm not going to destroy it too much. Wow, fabulous. Look at that. Look at the halloumi in there. Oh, I'm going to have to marmalise this for a second. Let's have a look. Now that is good. Honest to God, the food. Look at that. I'd come back for that as well. Look at me, I'm like Cookie Monster again. It's just too good. It's just too good. The locals are friendly too. Now we've got... Look at the state of me, a nice clean shirt. That'll put some meat on these bones, I think. Right. Look at this. Oh, there's no shortage there. This wasn't an extra large anything, not an extra large chips, but look at the size of that. And them chips. Just the way I like them. I'm going to put a bit more salt on. I like lots of salt, so I don't maul everything. I'm going to have a little look at this fish. Oh, look at that. You know, you go some places and there's no taste. It can't be said of this place. Can't get enough of that curry sauce. If you're passing Shrewsbury, if you're passing Shropshire, call in. They've got all kinds on the menu. It's not a huge, extensive, mind-boggling menu. It's got all quality foods on there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna have a bit of this fish finger here, and I'm gonna get some of these peas. I'm gonna dip it in a bit of this curry. I go around and I review some of the best chippies, or the most popular chippies. But so far, yeah, I've had some 5-star reviews, and some 4s, and some 3s, and I've had a 2 out of what was supposed to have been the most popular chippy. And I'm loving doing that. I've got a few surprises over the next couple of weeks. So as you can see by that video, I enjoyed myself down at the Shrewsbury Fish Bar in Shrewsbury. So let's have a look at some reviews. We'll start with a 1-star. Just wondering why they take phone orders to not pursue them. I rang at 5:20 p.m. They said I could collect my order by 6:40 p.m. Arrived at the time asked to not receive my order until 7:20 p.m. 40 minutes wait on top of the hour and 20 minutes call ahead. Why give someone a time when they can collect their order for it not to be ready? It hadn't even been started. Absolutely appalling. If this is a continuous issue, I wouldn't bother taking over the phone orders, because clearly this is not good enough for a takeout. Very annoyed. A response from the owner. You placed an order when we were very busy, then decided to wait at the back of the line until you came to the counter to let us know you had a telephone order. Then blame us for your time waiting. I will go for a 4-star here. Food in the main was very nice. The standard is usually pretty high, as we've used them before. My daughter was very disappointed to find that her sausage had not been included in the bag with the rest of the food, and the one fish was very batter heavy. The staff are very friendly, and it won't stop me going back, but it is a little annoying. Here's my number, Dan. Just text me when you're coming in again. I will look after you. 5-star. The best chippy in town. Fish batter as light as a feather. Chips well cooked. Great. Friendly service. The owner prides himself on using rapeseed oil as opposed to saturated fat used by other establishments, which makes the food lighter and tastier. Not on my side of town, but worth driving past the opposition to get there. Parking right outside or across the road by the co-op. Wheelchair accessibility. No step in the entrance. But if you have issues, the staff will come outside and take your order and bring it to you. I've seen it happen. Mine, 5-star. And well worth the 5-star. It really is. You know how my reviews work. If it's a 4-star, it's an exceptional chippy, and anyone in that area, in that city, town or village should get themselves down there and support that chippy, buy the food. If it's a 5-star, you can come from outside of town. That's how I rate the difference between 4 and 5. It's worth the travel. There are many exceptional fish and chip shops about, but occasionally I discover one that stands out from the rest. The Shrewsbury Fish Bar is remarkable for numerous reasons. To begin with, the staff were exceedingly friendly, helpful and efficient, preparing a variety of meals, including the fish, fresh to order and cooking in 100% rapeseed oil. They do not compromise on quality, from maintaining a pristine establishment to opting for environmentally friendly packaging solutions like cardboard, paper and paper carry bags over plastic. Naturally, the food was the centrepiece, featuring a light and crispy batter enveloping cauliflower bites, mushrooms and a selection of fish. I opted for the haddock, which was bursting with flavour. The portions were generous, with no skimping on any detail. There is parking in front of the chippy. Overall, it was a marvellous experience, and I have no doubt that I'll return whenever I find myself in the area or even remotely close. So there you have it. Fabulous, fabulous chippy. Wonderful staff, and they take cash or card. So, yeah, get yourself down there, and we'll see you on the next one.